Hi, today, NAFOS Studios team will help you install the premium theme. First of all, go to Shopify, the online store tab and theme section. Here we will be able to upload the theme file. To do this, click Import Theme and choose Upload Zip File. Find the download theme file and wait for it to fully download. After the file is uploaded, two buttons appear on the right. When you're completely done with customizing the theme, click Publish. But for now, we'll click on the Edit Theme button and move on to the customization step. First of all, let's set up the home page. To customize the background on the site, click on this section. The background setting here, you can select a background in image or GIF or video or SVG format. As you can see, the background is now on your site. You can reduce the transparency of the dark layer to see it clearly. Place the background in the top or center as you like. And the last option for the background is video. To select a video, you need to upload it to your Shopify account. To do this, go back to your Shopify dashboard and find the Content tab. Select the File section. Then click this icon. It copies the link video file you uploaded. Now we can return to customization page and pass the link to the file into this output field. As you can see, the video background is now on your site. Now move on to customize the cursor on your store. Select Custom Cursor section, and then enable the Custom Cursor feature to allow the theme to display your cursor. Select the file subcategory and upload your custom cursor file. As you can see, the custom cursor is now on your site. You can choose the size you want for custom cursor. If you want to use the music player on the site, click on the Music Player section, then click Floating Music Player. Choose the color of the icon and also insert a link to UTrack. To do this, go to Shopify dashboard and find Content tab, upload your MP3 file here and copy its link. After that, go back to Theme Settings and paste the link into this text field. Then enable music to play on the site. Now let's move on to Custom Font. Select Custom Font section, then Font section. To choose and download a font, you can go to this website dafont.com and select the font you want. Then click Download. You must convert it to OTF for it to work on this site. Then click Upload File and choose your font OTF file. Then copy the link file. After that, go back to Theme Settings and paste the link into this text field. Then add the font name. Choose the font weight you want. Activate all buttons to make the font appear throughout the site. As you can see, the font is now on the site. If you want to add a brand name marquee to the site, scroll down and select the Marquee section, then Text section, then add your brand name. Now, brand name mark is on your site. Select Size to choose the size you want. Now let's move on to customize the Hero section. Select Hero section, then Fashion Hero section. Select an image to put on your hero. Then scroll down and choose a name for the collections. Name it according to the name of the collections you have. Then select the collection here so that clicking on it takes you directly to the collection page. Now, if you want to make an intro video, select Intro Video Pro section, click on Show button. You need a video link that is compatible with both desktop and mobile screen sizes to ensure a perfect fit. Go to the content file and copy the video link desktop. Then paste it into the field URL desktop. Do the same with mobile URL. You can also add your own logo in the intro. Write a text so that it appears at the beginning of the intro. Select text size you want it in intro. You can activate the Skip Intro button so that it appears in the intro. Choose a color for the Skip Intro button and select the Auto Close Delay Seconds. Set a time, similar to the video you selected for intro. Then choose whether you want the video intro to appear every visit or only once per session upon entering the site. This is how the video intro will look on your website. Now we move on to customizing the carousel collections. Select Collections Carousel section. First, choose a name for the collection title. Then choose a color and size you want. You can select background image if you want. Then choose how many collections you want on your site. Select custom image to add to the collection carousel. Select collection to be taken directly to the collection page when you click on it. Do the same for other collection. You can add 6 collections to this carousel. If you want to enable autoplay, press enable, and you can show or hide the arrows on the collection. Also, if you want to hide or show the dots on the collection, click this button. Now move on to customize the image for your store homepage. Select Image Homepage section, then find Image section. You can select your image from here and click Done. As you can see, your image is on the site. Now, go to Edit the Cart Comparison. Find the Cart Comparison section. First, add your brand name. Your brand name is on cart now. Your brand name will be above the check marks, and the others will be in the cross marks. 2. The title size and title color. As you can see, this section compares your brand with other competitors. It highlights your advantages. Now, the most important part is how this table works with the Add to Cart system. Is connected to the cart total. The seller can set a specific amount. When the customer adds products B to the cart and reaches that amount, 2 things happen. Free shipping becomes active and a free gift be automatically offered depending on what the seller chooses. It's a smart conversion tool that encourages customers to add more items to their cart. This gives you full strategic control over your visual messaging. You can control where the blue focus appears. You can choose which row you want to highlight. Now let's move on to customize scrolling images. Find Scrolling Images section, then click on it. This section allows you to create a horizontal scrolling image slider. This controls the main title to the section. You can change the text, upload a custom font if you want, adjust the size, letter spacing, and bottom spacing. This is the text below the heading. Add a description if you want. You can format it and control its size, spacing, and margin. Button text changes the button label. Button link sets where the button redirects. Change color and text button. Controls how rounded the button corners are. Changes button size and font size. Adds space below the button. Controls how fast images move. Adjust spacing between images. Controls spacing on mobile devices. Adds space under the description. Changes scroll direction left or right. Stop scrolling when hovering. Makes non-hovered images grayscale. Now for the image blocks. This is where you add the images that will appear inside the slider. Select the image you want to display, and you can also add a link. When someone clicks on the image, they will be redirected directly to that product page or any page you choose. Save it after each edit. Do the same for other image blocks. Select image and insert the link to the product page you selected. You can add as many images as you like to this section. Once you're fully satisfied with your customizing and everything looks perfect, go ahead and click Publish to push your website live. And that's it, your store is now ready for the world.